Hi, this is my review for the American Crew Firm Hold Styling Gel 33.8 fluid ounce. Apologize that the logo is a little bit faded. I use this hair gel every single day. I've used it many times, using it for a couple years. Really enjoy it. These are all the ingredients and all of that, and the instructions, everything that it has there, UPC. Of course, you get it from here, pops out like that. You don't need that much really to put in your hair unless you have a lot of hair. So maybe you'd use more. I mean, I don't have a lot of hair. I do have hair, but I like it spiky. So it's pretty good for spiking up my hair, and I've received compliments many times just on how my hair is, and it's thanks to this gel because it's the main one that I use. It does flake a little bit. It's not dandruff free, so you know, expect a little bit of flaking. It's not a lot though, so it's not. I feel that it flakes a lot less than other hair gels. But yeah, I really enjoy it and hope you check it out.